If you want to include Calendly times, booking times for meetings in your Gmail account, so you can do that using Calendly's Chrome extension. Let's just install that. And there's a link in the description to show you how to do that. You need to be logged into your Calendly account. And we can go to integrations here. Calendly for Chrome. Yep, that's what we want. Okay. Yep, I'm going to add the extension. It's going to have access to these things. Now, okay, so we should see that here. Software has been added to Chrome. Now, if I click on this puzzle button here, what I can do is I can actually pin that so it will appear here. I don't need to do that, but I just want to show you. You can see that the Calendly extension is there. It shows my events, and of course I can create a one-off event as well. And now in Gmail, when I click on Compose, I've got this Calendly button. Now, if you want to see what that looks like in Gmail, then check out this video here, which shows you how to set up a Calendly event in Gmail.